Good afternoon, everybody. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good afternoon. Welcome to ReFashioned Art. I'm Laura Madden, and I want to show you some pieces. Post art show weekend, we've moved some things around, and I want to show them to you. So if you're new here, I'm Laura Madden, and I'm the artist behind ReFashioned Art. All of my original artwork is made using reclaimed materials, and merging style and sustainability is the whole mission of this brand. And this really is art. Just a little sneak peek of some of the things we're going to see. This is art for living a stylish lifestyle, but at the same time, with a focus on lowering your environmental impact. Super important to me, which is why I go the extra length to collect unwanted art, salvage canvases, vintage and antique frames, and just all kinds of stuff that would otherwise end up in landfill. And I use those items and remake them into something new and stylish and cool, and that is ReFashioned Art. So first of all, thank you to anybody who came out to the Camelback Studio Tour and supported Sin, Silva, and I. We were here at my studio, and it was just an incredible show. I will admit, transparently, I am still recovering. Not because we were partying or anything along those lines, but it was nonstop. Nonstop all day long. Thank goodness it didn't go into the night. We ended at 5, but it was still nonstop on my feet. And it's just really hard on my body to do that. But at the same time, there are not many things that are that much fun to be able to connect with people one-on-one, to be able to talk about the art, to show the art, and to have people come in and actually see the art, just up close and personal. There's only so much that you can get from a piece of artwork online. So for people to come in here and actually see a piece of art, see the depth of it, see just like the emotion in it, which I really don't think you can fully get from a computer screen or a phone. It is priceless for me to have that opportunity. And I made so many great connections and had some wonderful conversations, and really, really happy that I had a lot of sales. Of course, that's the whole point, is to share the art with other people that love it. Hey guys, thanks for joining. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you think it's a great idea. Thank you. So sold some large pieces that I didn't expect to sell because they're so large. And honestly, some pieces that I made for very specific spots in my own home that I was not actually planning on selling. And so now I was left with these gaps over my mantle, which we'll see in a moment, a few other large spots, a few we won't see today because they're tucked away in bedrooms, but I was left with some big gaps, and I thought, oh wow, I'm going to have to find a piece of art. I have guests coming tomorrow for a while, so it's like, we got to get this house together. And so I had to find some art to fill those spaces. So that's what I want to show you right here. And I do have some really cool big pieces that I'm working on. And that's what I was going to do today. I was going to show you those new pieces that are just about done. But I thought, I'm just going to, film from in here. And it's actually a little cold in my studio right now. So I thought I'm just going to do this first. So, okay, this one here, guys, this is a triptych. And this is brand spanking new. This actually was not part of the show, but these items that were here sold. And so I had to replace it with something. And I didn't want to put more nails in the wall. There we go. Nice. Love this picture here. So I didn't want to put more nails in the wall. So I thought, okay, I've got this triptych I just finished, and I finished the edges in silver. But super cool. Now, the cool thing about a triptych is you can hang it just like so. You could hang it all together so it seamlessly goes from 1 to the 2 to the 3rd. Or you could even frame them. You could frame them separately, or you could frame them all together. All 3 together, so you have one large painting. And forgive me, I actually don't have the exact measurements of these. Forgive me, I should, but I do not have the exact measurements at the moment. So these are new pieces, triptych. These are available. Over here, we have Skyscraper and Sideswiper. These are great big ones. Forgive me again, I don't have the exact measurements. I know I should. Those are not new. This one was not for sale. This is presents. This will not be for sale. This is one of my favorite pieces and is kind of like a life-changing piece. This was the first piece I framed in this antique frame. And from there, my signature style of the mixing of the old and new and really somewhat appreciating the old started right here. And a very, very special person framed this for me. Also an artist and an antique dealer framed that for me, but it totally was life-changing, and it started to shape who I am as an artist and my style as an artist. So apologize. Okay, I don't know, something changed here. Hold on, there's like a weird filter that was not supposed to be on here. Let me see if I can straighten this out. I don't know why that's still not right. Sorry guys, I don't know why this filter just jumped on there. That makes no sense. But anyhow, so this piece, the piece that was here sold, rough Terra. And so I have this piece here called Magic. This is this one is 36 inches by 48 inches. I do quite like it here. And forgive me, I don't know what's going on with these filters popping on here. That is not right. So I'm sorry. That is totally not right. Something's up with this phone. All right, well, we'll keep going. That's a little better, I guess. And then this piece that was over here, the piece that was here sold. And so this one here is Crescenza. Very cool. Again, antique frame. Love the size of this. It's hard to tell on the screen, but that's a great big size. This one here, Love is Blind. This one is for sale. The piece that was here also sold. So we have this one here. This is Lille. Really nice depth of this canvas, a super thick canvas. But this one, and these are all available for sale, guys. All are available. This is L'Hiver. That was inspired by Snowy Forest in Prescott, Arizona. This one here, Window of Opportunity. This one is also for sale. Love this one. This is a great big one. This is 30 inches by 60 inches. And then over here, this one here is also part of the present series. I don't know if you see a resemblance, but it is meant to be kind of like a little sister to this one here. This is Presence that we're looking at right now. This is Presence 3. There is a Presence 2, which sold this weekend, and there is a Presence 4, which looks very much like this, but it's in a square. It's square and also a very antique frame, very well patinaed. But this is Presence 3, and again, notice the similarities. And if you don't, that's okay. Let me know. Would love your thoughts and feedback. Sandra, ReFashionista. Good to see you. Yes, TB Murphy Design. It's all about the frame. It really is. I mean, of course I love the artwork, but it really is all about the frame. This is an antique, and you know, framing just changes everything. This one here, this is a vintage frame, brass, and this was found at an estate sale, and I made the art in the frame, but this one is for sale as well. This is a great big one, 4 feet by 6 feet. This is called Summer Wind. And then this one here, Bijou Rouge, 4 feet by 5 feet. And again, this is a matching frame. Also a vintage frame. We've got the brass, so this kind of looks cool together. All right, moving on. I want to show you a few of these little ones over here. The little ones, I actually did sell a lot of great big pieces, but sold a lot of little ones. This was the star of the show, the acrylic blocks, and they definitely make incredible gift ideas. So this is OX1. This is OX1. I have a few of these available, a few of those left. Acrylic block, that's 4 inches by 6 inches, 1 inch depth, 1 inch thickness. So it's a really good size thickness. This one here is Grigio, 10 by 10. Sorry guys, the light is just killing. It's just killing my screen here. And then this one here, did I not name that one? I'm not sure. This is a wood panel, but check out the texture. Check out the texture here. I love creating texture. It's one of my favorite things. And again, we get a really nice depth on this, this piece. It is a wood panel. This one here is Mini Magic. This one here, this is one of the Goldies, also Goldie, and this is 8 by 10, 8 by 8. So these are nice little ones. And those are also wired to hang as so, but I have them on these little art stands, which work quite nicely if you're decorating your desk or a shelf. And then these here, these were also a big seller. These are hand-painted ceramic tiles. And this is from the Decor series, from the heart. I have a whole bunch of these, all different types of hearts, different colors, abstract, of course. But I do have a lot of those still available. And then this one here, another hand-painted tile. And I just have them on these little art stands. So really great desk decor, makes a great gift. I've got lots of those available. If you like one, DM me. And these are all $40, the hand painted. The acrylic blocks also $40. And then this one here is Esty. Sorry guys, the light is just killing. Esty, that's 12 by 12, really fun, maybe even for a closet. This is Fast Lane 2. And this one here, I actually have it wired. So this one is actually wired to go, sorry, I'm going to just. So this one is actually wired to hang like so. And then this one here is truffle, and this could go on the horizontal, or of course, this one could go on the vertical. And I just have it on this art stand for display. That's truffle. And then this one here is chaparral. Super love this one. A little bit larger. This really isn't a mini. Hey, Delaney Logan. How are you, girl? Hearts. Yes. Yes. TB Murphy Design. Definitely the hearts are a fabulous mini collection. And then this one here is part of the Zero Waste series. There are 2 of these available. This one is custom framed. I know it's really not that ideal with this light. And then this one back here, this one is Mid-Century Mod 2. Let me just check the back here. Everything is labeled. Yep, this one is Mid-Century Mod 2. And that one is wired to hang on the vertical exactly as you're seeing it, but I just have it on an art stand for display. And then over here, just to show you what I got left, Gold Mine. Really fun. This has got great texture. This is a part of the 3D series, part of the ReFashion Resculpt. So this one goes out about 6 inches. It's 20 inches by 40 inches, 6-inch depth. But this one is 3D. And then this one here, website is shop.iamlauramadden.com. TB Murphy Design, shop.iamlauramadden.com. It is linked in my bio. And, but I will tell you, those hearts are not loaded. Those are brand new pieces. So those are not loaded to the website yet, but all the hearts, all the ceramic hand painted tiles, those are $40 as well as the acrylic block. So this is another piece from the ReFashion Resculpt. So as you can see, it is 3D. We've got that texture. We've got that volume. All right. And that's Vortex. And this is a great big one. This is another, oh my gosh. I think this might be a 4 foot by 5 foot at least. No, it's bigger than that. It's longer than that. So hi, Michael. How are you? So guys, let me know if you have any questions. And then of course, this is the original Gold Rush. This one is not for sale. I made this for this exact spot. My husband does not love it. This is the original ReFashion Resculpt. Really great depth. As you can see, that's 3D wall art. But just love that piece. That will not be for sale. And then this one here is Beloved. This is for sale. We've got a really nice depth in this canvas. That's Beloved. All right. So that's all I'm going to show you guys for now. A lot to think about, I know, but fun stuff. So just wanted to show and share a little bit of what I still have available. Some little guys and some big guys. If you see anything you like, just DM me. My website is shop.iamlauramadden.com. And there you can access my originals, my collection of originals, as well as the prints. If you are interested in prints or any of the merch, I do have a few things still on there. The coasters are really big sellers. Mugs, phone cases. People really love that stuff. And it's fun to have something that's artistic, something that's so unique and stylish. I think my phone cases are all prints of my own art. So that's just also a fun gift. Really fun gift. But let me know if you need help picking things out. There's a lot on the website. So I feel like sometimes it can get a little tricky to navigate if it's your first time on there. So please don't hesitate to reach out, DM, if you want a suggestion, if you like my recommendation, or if you just would like, a little guidance of navigating the website. Please don't hesitate. I'm here to help. And, I'm quite tech challenged. Not that you are, but I am quite tech challenged. So I'm here to help. Hopefully I won't confuse you more than clarifying for you. But anyways, thanks TB Murphy Design, shop.imlauramann.com. I'll see you there. Hope to see you there. All right, guys, that's it for now. Just an update, what's left. And again, recap from the show. I still really haven't digested everything. People have sent me so many photos. I still haven't looked through all of them. We had a bunch of news segments. I still haven't seen them. I've posted some snippets that people have sent me that they recorded off of their phones, but just snippets. So I got to see those segments because they were a ton of fun. They really were. But thanks guys for joining. Happy Friday. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great, great Friday. And I hope you have a wonderful start to your weekend. All right, guys, all links in bio. Cheers and happy holidays. Happy start to your holidays as well, technically. Bye-bye.